Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Unplugged with Prashur. So friends, today this video is very special for me because today I have received one surprise gift box directly from Israel. So friends, in this box we will have a surprise New Year gift from my company ErgoFreak. And in this video we will unbox this box and see what are surprise gifts we will get inside this box. So let's get started. So friends, let's start with the unboxing. So first thing which we got here is our invoice. So friends, here we got two things in our box. One is this Bluetooth printer by Fuji Films, and other one is a film for the printer. So let's take this box out. And as you can see, the seal is still unbroken. And this is a printer from Fuji Films, and the printer name is Instax Mini Link 2, and the color is blue. Let's open this. So first thing which we get here is this USB type cable, and with that like we have this guide in which we have all the information like how we can use this printer. Other than that, we have like one more document. First one is our warranty card, and we have a 1 year warranty. Other than that, we have this personalize your movement, like some promotion book you can say, like in which we have information of various cameras and all from the Instax. And other than that, we don't get anything in this box, so let's put this box aside and let's move back to our printer. Okay, so here we have this printer from Instax, and it's very small. You can compare it from my hand. It's very small, and from here you will get all the printout. So let's put this aside. And other than that, we got this Instax Mini instant frame, like 20 feet we got in this box. So let's open this. So here we get the two packs of sheet. In one pack we got 10 feet, and these feet we will insert inside this printer. And other than that, here we have one keyring, and with that we have this warning. And here we got this Instax Mini Evo. It's fully made of rubber. Let me take it out from this poly bag. Yep. So it's looking great. Hey, this you can attach in your printer, and you can write your name and address. So friends, let's see how we can use this Instax frame inside this printer. So before putting that, first I will plug the printer. Okay. So like whenever we plug the charger, it will blink, and the Instax sign will highlight. So let's open the frame. Okay, and let's open this packet. Oh, nice. Here we have this black cartridge. Uh, let's put it inside. Okay, I think it will go, yeah, it will go like this. And yeah. So friends, these all are the things which we get inside this box, and by using this printer, we can print our memories. And I really like this gift. And at last, I want to thank ErgoFac for such a wonderful gift.